RPTV para sa Pinoy. Think Positive, Sabado 7 a.m. sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
Isang taon ng pag-aakid ng mga kwento ng tagumpay. Isang taon para sa Pinoy. Ako po si Jacob Aguilar ng Barangay ni Nueva San Miguel. Happy first anniversary, RPTV.
Let's look at some of tonight's key plays with YouTube TV, where you can catch up on the game on live right in real time.
Couldn't be more impressed with the Pacers defense. This is a push up into pressure. But what do you notice? The pickup points are different. They're not full courting. They're just being better from the 3-point line and down, Richard.
They're aggressive. That's a need you're starting to see some youth. Remember the game 6 against Denver. You're talking about OKC. Now they have put themselves in a game situation. How about if you want to be in a game situation against this Indiana Pacers team?
Some of those plays we just saw